Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. One of our Edo brother, wey dey for India, his name na Uyi, don jump from third floor just to avoid deportation. Thank God, he no die. But the problem now, Indian doctor say na 5 million naira na dem need to take save Uyi life. Na this one come make Abat Obaze come dey ask say make we, the Edo, join hand together to take raise this 5 million naira. Make we take help save Uyi life. Make I leave you now with Abat Obaze.
Hello.
Hey, Domo.
Usekino Yelia.
Yes, I save and but they're preparing for surgery now. They don't ready the baby head. I will see if your video call now.
The baby here now. Wait, my call video call. Wait, my call video call.
Your call video call. My daughter,
we are live, oh. We are live. Please tell those doctors. Network. Stop. Give my charger for 1 day.
Bro.
Yes, I dey watch.
Bro.
I dey watch. Just say we watch here.
Hello, bro.
I dey watch. I dey listen to you.
I beg. Maybe your help and they don't already give you for surgery already. They don't pass it there.
They don't back the hair.
Yeah, they don't pass it already.
Okay, they don't let you go close to her now.
No, they're not. They see her now. Yeah, please help me. I'm fully phone. That's right. Sorry. But I remember I dropped my phone in my hand.
They don't agree.
Hello?
They don't agree.
Yes. But you know, see, I'm not talk.
Okay, 9 days or so.
Yeah, 90 days so. 90 the best so.
Okay, I'll call you back.
Hello, sir.
My brother,
I greet you, sir.
this is your friend Martin with me here.
Not be small thing of my brother. You know, sir, I'm not fit now. Cry. This is how many days now? Are they
Wait,
before you survive
happen? I am live now. We get over 300 people watching. What's happen?
You know, say for the India, yeah, now sometimes but they come when they do reading. Sometimes they decide to carry people go as so many people they don't like to photo victims say they want to go Nigeria. As they all the read now, they already enter the house. Before me go from the door, they say they already jump. They already fly. So now everybody come dey find. So lucky now. Me before me book, I gonna call my woman say make leave work. But now at the hospital, they work for hospital for another hospital. That one come call us. Come show the document. Now that one come go find ambulance. They won't take fee career. As they can't reach hospital now, they can't say they need to deposit money, need to take revive am first. And so they can't take revive am reach now. As they can't call money for the operations then, it's too big. No money. I make I take right to you since yesterday, so mercy.
So which surgery they want to do now?
Yes. After 15 minutes operation. Yes, okay, no problem. Are they doing the 2 operations?
Sending patient for surgery after 15 minutes.
Okay, after 15 minutes, patient enters surgery.
Yes.
Okay. What else am I going to do now? Nothing I'm going to do now.
After 15 minutes.
Okay, only the payment remaining.
There is 12:35. 2:40. Yes, sir. I want to see.
Okay, me stay here. Want to see once?
You want to see the patient?
No, when he's entering surgery.
Yes.
No, as he's entering surgery
You
room,
want to see? Now you want to
already see. As he's going to theater, we see.
Just we are waiting. Just we are waiting outside on 10 to 15 minutes.
10 to 15. Okay, thank you. They say they will call. Hello, bros.
I hear you.
Now, so like, you remember 10 to 15 minutes, they'll take carry and enter the operation theater already. But me, I don't enter everything I give. They made the fit start and first say before, but they only give me 2 to 3 hours if I don't pay money now. When they don't start the rest. But I just beg, they made the Fed do the premium. It take day okay. That be the thing.
You'll see a lot just now. I don't really say I don't say 100,000 for the account.
Okay, just 100,000. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I'm
I've been on share saying just 100,000 for the account. Thank you, sir.
If they never say, listen now, you listen at the bank. I don't say 100,000
Yes.
from me, and many other people want to send money for that account.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Hope
Thank you.
the person, the woman will get the account go remit all the money.
Yes, they remit. The woman, I never called you would never call my mama and make go back because if we want transfer, because from here now, log in, I will pay for you, we will take the transfer down. Put for person will give us rupees. But the bank now, they're not their transfer system, they delay. We don't now make go bank. Say now between life and death. It does not reach good. But if they go the bank, the woman they go the bank now, may tell them, do the transfer. So the account may pay for get rupees.
But the doctors, they are sure the guy will survive.
Yes, the guy they talk now the operation.
No, I'll call you back.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Huh?
They speak in tongues. They pray.
Embassy will work. Embassy will work. Nothing like to with me. I don't even know it. I don't even know how to talk. With me, I swear. I don't even know how to talk. This is a boy. His name is Uyi. This is the boy. Uyi Abutai Iroa. He just had a serious accident. He's partially paralyzed as we speak. Why I'm avoiding arrest? Because he doesn't have valid document. This is the boy. Okay. This is the boy. He's battling with his life as we speak. See the boy. From 3rd floor, he jumped while avoiding police arrest. Papa not get, mama not get. These people, the reason why most of our young boys travel is because they're suffering in this country. What their parents are going through, what their younger ones are going through. That's why they are desperate to make a difference, to do something. Now he's suffering and he's battling with his life alone as we speak. It's not with me, I swear to God. Nothing don't break me like this.
Papa, see, they talk. Say, may they help you. Say, you need help.
Go on, tell them.
Don't they talk, they talk.
I beg, when I help me, I need help. I beg. No get stroke, no money, no too much problem. When I help.
Oh shit.
Anything you can donate is something. Nothing is too small, nothing is too big. Just to save a life. Please help save a life. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please, he's from Nigeria, Edo State. His name is Uyi. Please help us. Whatever it is you can do to help us to be able to go for this surgery. Please. Please, thank you very much.
Please, friends, please, let's do something for him, please. You have the account details there. Please, let's just do something, please. His name is Agbontare Uyi Irowa Uki Richard from Ibubaha. The city name is Greater Noida Hospital, Kilash Hospital. Please, this is not bad comment. Start doing something now, please. Anywhere you are in the world, Benin City, anywhere you are in the world, please, is in the hospital. Any negative comment here. See, Thunder will fire this boy. What's his name? He said, Abba, call your campaign friends. Is it guy, walk here, be where? Is it be ogbeye? Walk here, be where? Every the boy na me okay am you be. Umana be obegbe. He work here me obegbe. Is it everywhere you drop negative comment? Walk here, be where? Let me just scream much. Let me scream much his profile. How can people be so insensitive? Walk here, be where, my brother. Let me block you. Me, I sent 100,000 naira this morning. 100,000 from Benin here. You are talking crap. Somebody is battling with his life there. You are talking crap. Please, I am begging. If you know say you get conscience, you get conscience. Not be everybody they heartless. If you know say you get conscience, please let's do something for him. We need to raise 5 million naira this morning. Please, we just need to raise 5 million naira this morning. I won't be here. I am struggling. That's why I can't even talk. I am struggling here. Please, we need to raise this money. We need to raise 5 million naira this morning. We need to save this boy. The account is there. Please. Pay money to this account. The account number is 3047596355. Pay money to this account, please. Any senseless comment, I'm sure it's like people are sleeping. Any senseless comment, you kick them out immediately. Where do you want me to get 5 million naira now? Where do you want only me to get 5 million? Is this how I'm going to be helping everybody? There's nobody I bring on my platform without me putting money. In my year, 100,000 where Fiona. The 100,000 where now. Can't we just help our people? If the father was rich, they pay school fees for this boy, a trainer, maybe for they do PhD now. What if for can go in India? Please pay money to this account 3047596355. Polaris Bank. A Boston is here and a Boston want to transfer now. They are 304759 30475963. Now you want type 3047596355. Grace Nosakari, Polaris Bank. I don't feel me if you even type. Please, if you are watching me and you have this account, just post it. Just my phone will go off. Life my zip. Nobody want to be deported. Nigeria will. Nigeria will. I must sit scared for my life. This boy will come, so the guy said don't spend more than 2 million. Friend. India will watch you die now. They don't like us. So if you don't pay them nothing, they will just watch you die. If you're not careful, they will harvest your organs before you die. This boy is sleep hospital for not to happen to this to his friend. Amadila, we will account in our lao. Let's do something for this boy. Please. Now. I swear to just break me. I swear down. The distortion. Police were reading here. You're going to bossy my go. But you are reading, anybody know you're sad. Now, our own Nigeria boys just to teach Indian police to be read. It's happening everywhere. Please, let's pump money into this account this morning, please. If you have a way, you get to buy your bonnet. Or easier. They told Nigeria or they GK. I will say I have very little. please, they need money for the guy's surgery. The guy is going to undergo brain surgery and one of his hand break. They are doing a brain surgery on the guy today. Just like his friend said, the hospital gave the friend 3 hours that they can only, with the deposit they made, they can only do the brain surgery now. If they don't make the other payment, they will not do the hand surgery. Please, anything we can raise now. Please, let's do something. Please, anything. Please, anything. Not just all of them say come back tomorrow. Do something now. We need it now, like now. Oh, see, my friend don't do 100K. My friend don't do, see, now somebody see, my friend don't do 100K. Tony don't do 100K. Tony don't, 50 people who don't 100K will not get 5 million. 50. We don't do 100. He don't do 100. That's 200 already. 50 will not get 5 million. Tony, that God will bless you. If you not go down, okay, I'm for you. If not soon that boy, I assume that way. Oda semi Roma, Oda semi Roma. When people see the comment say like go be governor. Should be a governor more college way. Should be a governor more college way. You don't wait for governor before you feed your mama and your papa, but you wait for governor for other people to get help. Oh, good morning. Hello, brother.
Hello. I get you, sir.
I beg you need to tell where that woman there. People are already sending money.
Oh yes, I don't already call the woman. The woman would they receive the alert for here? We get the phone here.
Now they receive how much have not received so far?
We never receive. It's when I call you now, money never enter. Even the other came in say you don't put, it never enter.
Why? It's during a Friday.
Never enter. Don't check it. Yes. It never enter.
When I go on the day there.
We will get no, we're not on the day. We get online banking day with us. We'll log that in for you.
Wait, maybe that you'll see all of them will pop up once.
Anybody will be in the sense of the
not be everybody will send sleep. Okay. Just tell the woman any money we enter throughout today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, the money at the boy oh. So I mean don't say 100,000. My friend Tony just WhatsApp me like don't send the sleep that's 200. Other people don't send. Okay. Just tell the woman I don't want make person can say other people any money that will enter the next 5 days belongs to Uyi.
Yes, but they check this thing itself, sir. Now the online they will be open the phone.
Okay, now they there with my call for video call. Yes. But therefore no. See now my own be this. This one my sleep.
When they say the people don't send money, when they say you sleep.
I beg if you get my WhatsApp, send me this is my own. My app not even work. Now my younger brother that I send out Julius Obaze, my own app not work. Beneficiary, Grace Nosakari, so now my own be this here. Now my own be this 100,000, I be this. Huh? As the video do video call now, no fish show. That's when I show you the sleep. You know, I made that live for you. They watch me live. This one on my sleep. Like be this. Now my own be this. See how? Let me show you my friend. Oh.
Yeah.
See my friend. Oh. Anthony Ihasui. So other people don't send to.
Okay. Okay, sir.
The-
I will check on that if you come and see. The guy, they will have to say, you know, the one that I'm.
They answer you now.
Yes, this can be the.
May you go back. Even if they not let you enter, just show where the boy for lie down. Just from the distance.
Yes, as they come now, they just check out.
Just throw your camera to the side with the guy. They will not let you enter.
Yes, now one, they enter.
1-1. Okay, now they be this so.
Now one, they enter. About you, sister. But you have just start from people.
Klaus say if family wants, tell them say battery low. Tell them say if family wants to see her before the surgery. My brother, I just enjoy to the block all these people when they drop your comments here. Yeah, this is the boy. Finally, they don't let you enter. See how they prepared him for surgery. I'm sure you can see. He's lying lifeless. Do your own. If you survive, to God be the glory. If you don't survive, you don't play your part. But do your own this morning. Play your part this morning. What we need now is not only God's fire. What we need now is money. There's time to pray. There's time to raise money. Uyi, can you hear me? This about Obazet. Can you hear me?
He cannot talk, sir.
No problem. He will be fine. He will be fine. My brother, where is the lady? Which lady they talk just now? Is that the lady that did the video?
Yes.
Let me see your face, please. Madam, how are you?
I'm fine.
Are you a Nigerian?
Yes, I'm from Edo State.
Where do we here?
Yes, sir.
No, where will we?
No, I'm from Sabogida Ura.
Sabogida Ura.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for all you are doing for our brother. He will be fine. We are doing our best now to raise the money. The money will be, the 5 million naira will be complete today by the grace of God.
Okay, sir.
Please, tell the doctors, do all your best to make sure Uyi recovers.
Okay, sir.
Thank you for standing by him. Thank you very much. We appreciate it.
All right.
And after the whole thing, a good Samaritan will pick Uyi from India to a better country. Thank you very much.
Welcome, sir. No problem, sir.
Agbo, my brother. Deportation, every grand. On my way, you white boy, very my way, on my head to talk, nothing.
Hello. I can hear you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless you. Let me just try and take care of myself. Please, this is not the time to make noise. Let's save a life. Let's save a life. There's time to talk. There's time to pray. There's time to donate. Please, let's do something for this boy. Let's just do something for this boy, please.
Who said that? Please, man, I'm not that day.
May he get government auto here. May he get government. ire pero otohie agege igada. So please, if you know you get conscience, nobody dey pray me this guy. Evalibu be anyhow. Yeah, obiomo when I go jason. Please, I'm talking to everybody, wherever you are in the world, whether you dey Benin or you dey Lagos, or you dey Port Harcourt, you dey Abuja, anywhere you dey abroad, anywhere you dey, if you don't fit send 5,000, you fit send 10. If you don't fit send 10, you fit send 5. Please, let's do something. We need to raise this money today. Now just give una 1 hour. I will be back again. I will be back. We must raise this money today. Odia send me Roma. Odia send me Yoma. Thank you very much. Somebody is dying. People are still dropping comments just to hurt me. Me, I'm not sick. I'm not in the hospital. Hey, I'm not worried. Now you dey drop comment now, make it pay me. I mean, the one going through pain. But get a test floor in sound. Or make a test floor sound. This day now for India, now you go pay your deportation. No? Now you go pay your own deportation. If you get money to deport person, now you go pay. Where your error. Now you go pay your own flight for them to deport you. Now if you get money to put you for play. Eribawa all the bawo that live video. I can't know the phone is up my I can't number. We don't fit now. This is why I do live video now because I cannot raise the 5 million. They 100,000, 50,000. May we live video. I do it every day. I enjoy giving. It's my life. Oh, we're not disturbed. A God said on soir. I'm live. I'm talking. No, I want to call my friend. I want to call people now. If you want to survive, don't want to go. I know so your conscience will judge you. Bye-bye.
I beg, make you help us share this video. Thank you for watching Dan ARJ YouTube.